Hello everybody, this is the elevator at my cousin's townhome in Tampa, Florida. This is my first video of me filming a home elevator. I'm just going to push the button and it's here. And as you can see, it has a wooden accordion door. Uses a little bit of force to open. And then if it's alright, I'm going to take it to the ground floor first and then open it there. Alright, with the exterior door closed, I'm going to shut this accordion door. And now the bottom floor is really the garage, and so it's labeled G, and it will open on this side. And it's not that much of a drop down, much of a journey. And now my cousin opened the door on the outside. And then this is the garage, not much to see here. Now I'm going to shut it and go up to the fourth floor. There's the lock. I'm going to shut the gate. And now I'm going up to the fourth floor. This is the control panel. As you can see, it's clearly labeled. You have your bell, you have your run and stop switch, and your light switch. Now I'm going to hit the fifth floor, even though it's labeled fourth floor. It can be confusing. And since there's not much to see elsewhere, I'm just going to do a cap view. This is Lev, the next level. Its capacity is 950 pounds. Oh, this is Thyssenkrupp, sorry. Maybe Lev is the company that installed it. LED lights. Wooden handrails. I don't know what this is, some foam. This is the phone, the emergency phone. And that's pretty much it. And good timing. We had just arrived at the fourth floor. And here we are. Now I'm going to take it back down to the main level. Thank you. So that will be the first floor. Although its number is 2. Now, I guess this is some sort of traction elevator due to how it sounds. It wouldn't be a hydraulic. We can watch the button go out. Because this is a residential elevator, it would be slower than a commercial passenger elevator, but it still runs smoothly and would come in handy for someone who cannot use the stairs. And the button goes out, and we're back. I'm going to open the accordion door, and then I'm going to open the outside door. And as with any elevator with manual doors, you always have to close them tightly behind you. Close them, make sure they're all the way closed so that the elevator can be used by the next person, especially someone who calls it from another level. And a big thanks to my cousin for letting me demonstrate it. Take care.